Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. In this video, I'm gonna be talking what you should do if your car engines get overheat. So guys, the first thing you should do is to pull over your car to a safe location. And immediately turn off the engine. Open the bonnet of your car and let the engine to cool. Another step is to check the coolant level in the radiator. To check the coolant level, you should open the radiator cap, but make sure that the radiator cap is cool before opening. Opening radiator cap when engine is hot is very dangerous, and you may also get seriously burned because of the hot coolant. So only open the radiator cap when the engine gets completely cooled. Check the coolant level, and if the coolant is low, fill coolant to the top of the radiator. If coolant is not available, you can use distilled water if available. If not, use normal drinking water. And put the radiator cap back on. Also check the upper and lower radiator hose and make sure that there are no leaks, blockage, disconnection and rust on the hoses. After doing all this, restart the engine and carefully watch the temperature gauge. If the temperature is crossing the optimal mark, park your car in the safe location, turn off the engine and immediately get help from the mechanic. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading informative videos related to cars. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.